Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and setup, and I'll give my review of this Levoit Core Mini P air purifier. But before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you read through all of the information and warnings that are on the box and any paperwork that comes inside of the box before you go through the setup process or use the Levoit Core Mini P air purifier. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the box. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the different sides of the box, and then I'll take the air purifier out of the box. So here is this side of the box. 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 And here is this side of the box. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take this air purifier out of the box. I'm going to show you guys this too. So there's a warning right here when you open up the lid to the box. And the warning says, before first use, remove the adapter and plastic from the filter. Let you guys see that again there. Okay. And with the packaging, make sure that you recycle what you can and dispose of the rest properly. I'm just going to set the packaging off to the side for now. And then there is some paperwork here. Here is the user manual. And then there's some additional information here. And make sure that you read through the user manual and the additional information before you go through the setup process or use the Levoit Core Mini P air purifier. Okay, I'm going to read through this information now, and then I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to take this plastic bag off of the air purifier. I'm just going to set this to the side for now. Like I said earlier, make sure to recycle whatever packaging you can and dispose of the rest properly. On the top of the air purifier, there's a warning here. And it says, before using, remove the power adapter and plastic from the filter. And I'm just going to remove this here. Set this to the side as well. Okay. So, first thing I'm going to do is just turn the top part of the air filter counterclockwise. So I'm holding on to the bottom part and then turning the top part counterclockwise. And then it stopped there, and so I should be able to lift this up. I'm just going to turn this over and gently set it down. And then here is the power adapter, and here is the filter. And it has a plastic bag around it that we need to remove. just going to gently set the filter back into the air purifier. Here's what the filter looks like. I'm just going to set this plastic bag off to the side with the other plastic bag. And here's what the inside of the bottom part of the air filter looks like. And the filter is going to fit around that circle piece in the middle on the bottom. And now that the plastic bag is removed from the filter, I'm going to gently set the filter into the bottom part of the air purifier until it's seated into place. Okay, so I wanted to get you guys a closer look. I'm about to put the top part of the air purifier onto the bottom part of the air purifier. And there are these clips that go around the top part of the air purifier. And I'm going to place, when I put the top part of the air purifier on the bottom part of the air purifier, I'm going to place those clips in between these plastic pieces on the bottom part of the air purifier. And you just want to make sure there's also these plastic pieces too right here that go around every so often on the bottom part of the air purifier. And you don't want these clips to sit on those until we secure it into place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top part of the air purifier and I'm just going to gently place it onto the bottom part of the air purifier like this. Okay, now I'm going to hold on to the bottom part of the air purifier and I'm going to turn the top part of the air purifier clockwise until it secures into place. And you want to keep your fingers away from the line in between the bottom part of the air purifier and the top part of the air purifier, just because that is a pinch point. And on this one, I could see the top part of the air purifier like click into place to let me know that it's secured onto the bottom part of the air purifier. Okay. Okay, so there is a plastic piece covering the control panel on the top of the air purifier. And I'm just going to remove that. Okay, and I'm just going to set that to the side for now. Okay, and right here is the aroma box. And I'm just going to gently hold on to the air purifier with one hand, and then with this finger here, I'm just going to gently push the aroma box in just a little bit. It just goes in a little bit like this, and then it will, if you stop pressing on it and just gently remove your finger slowly, the aroma box pops out like this. Then we can take the aroma box out, and inside of the aroma box is the aroma pad. And you can put essential oil on this if you want to. And it talks about that in the user manual. I'm not going to do that, but I did want to show that. So here's what the aroma pad looks like. I'm just going to place it back into the aroma box. And then to get the aroma box back in the air purifier, I'm just lining it up and then going to gently push it in. And I'm just gently holding on to the air purifier with one hand, and I'm just going to gently push the aroma box in. And when you do this, you want to be careful because of pinch points. But I'm just using this finger to gently push the aroma box in just a little bit until I could hear a click. And then I'm just going to slowly and gently remove my finger from the aroma box. And we can see that the aroma box is secured back into place. Okay, so I'm going to open up this box now. This has the AC adapter. Just going to set this box to the side for now. And on this side of the air purifier, here is where the AC adapter is going to plug into. Okay, so I'm just undoing this here. I'm going to set this to the side for now. And okay, so I'm going to take this part of the AC adapter and I'm going to plug it into the air purifier right here. And when you do this, you want to be careful because this is a pinch point. And I'm just gently holding on to the air purifier with one hand. And then with this hand, I'm just going to gently plug in this part of the AC adapter until it's secured into place. And you just want to make sure that this part of the AC adapter is secured into the air purifier properly. Okay, now I'm going to plug in the AC adapter and I'll be back so we can listen to how the air purifier sounds. Okay, so I plugged the AC adapter into an indoor wall outlet, and when you plug the AC adapter in, you want to make sure that you do that safely, and you want to make sure that the AC adapter is secured into place. Okay, now I'm going to turn the air purifier on, and to do that, I'm just going to gently press this button. And this is fan speed 1. And to go to fan speed 2, I'm just going to gently press this button again. This is fan speed 2. And to go to fan speed 3, I'm just going to gently press this button again. And this is fan speed 3. And to turn the air purifier off, I'm just going to gently press this button again. And right here is the check filter indicator. It talks about it in the user manual. All right, guys, so here is my review of the Levoit Core Mini P air purifier. I like the size of this. I think that it was easy to set up, in my opinion. And I also think that the 3 different fan speeds are reasonably loud for how much the fan speed is. So I didn't think that this air purifier was too noisy, in my opinion. So and time will tell how well it works. I like the aromatherapy aspect of it. So if I do want to add essential oil to this in the future, that is an option. I think that's pretty cool. So what do you guys think? I'm curious to know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.